There's a turn there. Ferry's going, oh, that's my boy right there. I got to let him get a pass. Look at that. Ferry gets right out of the way, but it doesn't work. Carmichael gets him. Oh, Carmichael picks up 2 Yamaha for the price of 1. And Chad Reed on the outside. Tim Ferry inside. Ferry goes down into the top block. So now it is mano a mano. Honda against Yamaha. Carmichael against Reed. I've said it before. I'll say it again. And Carmichael goes down. Chad Reed clips his front tire. Ricky dropped back now to 5th place. Ricky comes across, takes a look at everyone.
Look at that, look at that. Look at this.
Yeah. We're going to have talk.
He's telling, oh, no. Look at that. Ricky's saying, hey, that's Tim Ferry's mechanic.
I don't appreciate, yeah.
Okay, and he's telling Timmy, I think what he was worried about was when he got sandwiched between Timmy and Chad, Ricky came off the triple and decided, you know what, I better jump to my left so I don't get cleaned out by Tim Ferry, because who knows where his motivations lie. So when he jumped over to his left to protect himself, he accidentally hit Tim Ferry and knocked him down. Look at Ricky, he's ready to kill somebody. Blood on his chin.
Look, just comes on. Oh, that is a hard hit for both those guys.
I'm telling you, he's dinged up.
Foot definitely, that's the right side. That's where Preston hit him.
And there's Preston to check on him.
Oh, he's bad. He's
hot.
definitely hot.
He's definitely hot.
But he didn't mean to hit him. You didn't quit last week.
Down goes Pike. Oh, and he is not happy about Freezy at all.
That's going to cost him.
Well, they have had their issues earlier.
That's going to cost him.
His heart rate is just coming through his chest right now.
Langston just cut the track twice. He fell down, got up, cut the track twice, and now he passed Alessi. What's Alessi gonna do? No, there's a problem. There's a problem. Are you kidding me? That kid's in his face. Grant, you can't cut the track, brother. You can't. I'm not in it. I'm not in it. Hey, you can't jump the track. You can't cut the You can't cut the track. I'm not saying that, but you. No. I just said he cut the track. That's why I'm standing on. That's why I'm standing on this side. You don't need to come talk to me.
And Evans tries to tuck to the inside and down goes. They both go down. Who's going to get up first? Oh, and Evans.
Uh-oh. Here comes one punch.
Boy. We've got a problem here. That's team manager Larry Brooks, by the way, former Supercross star in his own right. And that's Big James, James Stewart's father, talking things over with their star rider.
He's very disappointed.
They got together, and this is the first time that we've seen them. They exchanged some words right there. There was some attitude, a little confrontation that we haven't seen. And I'm telling you, I liked it. You know, it was qualifying practice is one of those things where you don't want to get in the other rider's way. Not really sure what happened there, but the bottom line is some sparks were flying.
And Barsha just so frustrated with Vincent Doc Bodner right there from the Asterisk medical crew. Vincent not intentionally doing it.
Josh Grant. Every time I punch that guy in the face, the universe will get him back for that. Just so you know. I don't care how it goes. Mark my words, in 2 races, he'll get it. Remember me telling you that. Not from us. The universe will get him. Yep. That was a straight takeout, deliberately done, premeditated at the starting line. So talk to the mechanic. I'm taking that out. That was the guy's words. At the starting line.